What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year. 2020, it's gone, it's out the way. Let's not even think about it. Let's put that behind us. Let's put that in the past. It's gone. 2021, let's embrace it. And we are here and we are alive, and let's get to it. I just want to let you guys know that your boy just signed a new contract on a new lease on his new apartment, and I am so stoked and I am so happy. I mean, you guys can't see it behind this, but inside I'm dying of happy and I'm jumping. But anyways, got a new apartment, so we're going to be doing a lot of filming and a lot of stuff in that apartment, and I'll definitely bring you guys a video of the apartment tour. So nonetheless, for today's video, we are going to be installing the Acuity Shift Boot collar. We do have some stuff. We have some more videos coming out from Acuity. It's just little by little. I've been working so much through this pandemic, and I've been working so much with like other videos that were already kind of in, that were already like in the slot, meaning they were already recorded and they were already scheduled to release. So these, Acuity, great. I thank you guys for jumping on board, for sponsoring some of these videos, for sending me out the 4-way shifter. We made some great videos on it. I thank you guys and much love to them, and I want to give them a huge shout out for helping me out and jumping on board with the build. Acuity Shift Boot collar, let's go ahead and install it. Real quick unboxing. This is what you get in here. You get the 2 little nuts that come for the shifter. This is the thread end nuts, and this is the actual collar right here. It also does come with some tie wraps. I actually took the tie wraps out, or no, the tie wraps are in there. I took like 2 out, but the tie wraps are there, and we're gonna get to work on it. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick installation DIY video. Shouldn't take that long, and this is a great video because if your shift boot is sagging, and I hate a shift boot that's sagging. If you got your shift knob here and your shift boot is like sagging down here, and you can just see the stick from the shifter, I hate that. I totally hate that. And Acuity has made the shift boot collar amazing, and that keeps it intact, and that keeps it attached to your shift knob, and that looks great. So let's go jump onto the video. I'll see you guys. Okay, so here we are. I actually turned on the car because I'm sitting inside and it's hot, and I need to put the AC in order to record this video because it is pretty hot. Anyway, so here we are. I have removed this panel first. This is the OEM panel that comes with it. Obviously, everyone knows that owns an RSX. I did use the Acuity Trent removal kit. None of those kit over there, none of that Allen wrench, none of that. I was recording another video, but I did use the Acuity Trim removal kit. This kit comes with like 5 or 6 of them. I forgot how many is it they come. It's fairly cheap. It's like $10. So, and I used it in order to remove this. So once you remove this, you are going to remove the shift knob, the original one, the OEM one, and you're going to remove the kind of like the collar that the OEM one came from Acura, and you're gonna put this one on. You're gonna release, and you're gonna release that one, and you're gonna flip it upside down, and you put it here on the shifter, so you can get a quick, so you can look at it. Once you have it there, you are going to slide in the shifter. This is how the shifter is going to look around the collar, and this is what you're going to do to it. You're going to put the tie wrap, you're going to slide the shifter on it. I have it this way now with the lip facing down, and you put the tie wrap in order to hold it. Now this is where it kind of gets a little tricky, and I'm going to show you guys. It's not very tricky, it's just something, to do the steps right. You're going to use a size 12 open end wrench. Once you do that, we are going to slide this backboard back on, and this is the way you do it. Put this one in here first, put it here, make sure it goes through, go up, and it just takes a little bit of wiggling because, believe it or not, this shift boot is pretty strong. Clip it in, tap it together, here you go. Once you have it on, this is what it would look like, or this is what it should look like. Let me turn off the GPS before it actually keeps going on. Okay, like I was saying, so this is what it should look like. This is the shift collar there. You guys can see it. That is already attached on the shift boot. Now, what you're gonna do is you are going to slide in the thread. I believe this one I'm using is, this one is A or B, I believe so. I think it's B. It's the one I'm using, I believe. So it's the longer one. This is the one that's a little bit longer. So we're going to screw it on. I'm going to push this down a little bit. We're going to screw it on, and we're going to install the 6-speed shift knob that Acuity sells. We're just going to screw on the shift knob just like so. Let me show you. I'm going to screw it on Once you screw it on, I think we could go a little bit down. I'm gonna take it all the way down, and then from there I'll show you what you have to do. I'm gonna screw it there. We're gonna kind of give it that turn. From there, you're going to screw this up, and then you use the 12 open end wrench in order to tie the screw, the Acuity screw right here that you see it there, the Acuity screw into the shift knob, and then we'll clip it. So let me go ahead and tighten it, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so it's pretty much tightened. You stick it in through here. You're gonna see the slot that is open. You stick it in through there. You hold the knob in the top with your other hand, and you screw in. You screw in this way, and then you grab it here, and it tightens. So this is the actual shifter. I think it came out just a little bit crooked. Maybe we could go back and adjust it. But this is what the shift knob would look like with the clip-on shift boot collar. And that's it. Put in your gears. It just feels amazing. And the shift boot is not sagging anymore. And that's basically it. I wanted to show you guys how to remove the panel. So basically, you're gonna pull this back a little bit. You grab the panel by the front. You pop it up. Not too much force. You just kind of pop it up. You see how it goes up? And then what you do is you use the trim removal kits to kind of get in on the sides here and just pop out the rest. You see how it goes up? And that's basically it. So the trim removal kit comes in handy. It is extremely cheap. I think it's like 5 or 6 of them that come together. And there you go, you have it here.